Hello students. Now today we will see how we can use here Google Colab for Python. Now all the advantages you all know that Google Colab we can use in cloud, and so anybody can collab in that coding. Suppose you have saved any program and you can share with others and the others can also collab. So here you can see you can share your Google Colab notebooks very easily. Thanks to Google Colab, everyone with a Google account can just copy the notebook on his own Google Drive account. No need to install any modules to run any code. Modules come pre-installed within Google Colab. This is the best part of Google Colab, that no need to install any modules. Till now we were using pip install pandas, pip install matplotlib.pyplot. Now we will not install anything. Directly we will use here Google Colabs and we can share our files in using our Google Drive account. We can just save those programs. Like you can see here, there are so many programs. Like I have simply, what you have to do, you will use any browser, Google browser, and then you can search here Google Colab. So search here Google Colab. After that, now this first option you will select, that is collab.research.google.com. Now in this you can see what all things you have saved. So I am clicking here new notebook. So in new notebook you will simply start here with the programming, Python programming I will start with. So here you are using internet. If your net is slow, then maybe some time it will take, but once it is saved, like here I am writing here print and then I am writing here hello. Now when you will run it from here also you can run, or directly at the top you are having runtime from there also. So you can see your program is getting executed. Now till that time you can go and, so hello, it has printed. You can see the output also. Clear? Now the second code, so for class 11th and 12th computer science and IP, all the students now you can use here, so that if you are using it you can share these things with your friends as well as you can share with your teachers. Now I will show you how to share it. Here the share option is there. In share you will go and then you will remove all the restrictions and then we will share it. So all your projects, now the IP students, you are having pandas and you are having your pyplot, so very easily it gets executed. Nothing I have done, only I have see I am simply here adding a code and then I want to plot here a line. So you can see what I am doing here. I am simply using now Google Colab and I have used here plot, and now when I will execute it, it will show here. Some students were having problem in mobile executing it. Now you can see the output. You can add and delete, so this will be saved permanently. You can give a file name and you can save it. You can share it with your friends, with teachers. In Google Classroom only the link will be shared. That is the best part of it, that only the link will be shared. From the link anybody can copy. So all the projects which we have done, your projects, SQLite we will try to use here. SQLite, that I will make a separate video for SQLite and for SQL and Python connectivity. So today only you just practice your pandas, your matplotlib and your binary files. All the binary files here you can see, these are your binary files. So CS students, your binary file is getting executed. So this is your binary file. So all the projects we have already done. Now you just execute it. This is the stock management system. You just execute it in Google Colab. It is getting executed very easily in mobile, in laptop. You don't have to download anything. No SQL, no MySQL, no Python, nothing. Directly you will open the browser. What I have done, again I am repeating it. I have opened the browser and then I have searched here Colab, and then you have to log in using your Gmail ID, Google ID. So that much you have to do. So Google Colab you will open. Mine is already logged in. You can see all my programs here. Whichever programs you want to run, you can open it and you can share it with others, and very easily anybody can edit it. So the collab is also there, so anybody can edit it or make a copy and use it for themselves. So you can allow the other students, the teacher can allow the students, all the students to edit, or any student can allow the other students to edit. So these are the advantages of your Google Colab. So many advantages are there. You can go through this. Now you can save it a copy in GitHub and then you can share it. So the other advantages of this, we will make a separate video. This is not in your syllabus. Only you have to make the practical file and project file, and you have to share with your teacher. So that we will do it, and afterwards we will create the library. So all the students projects and your innovative projects will be saved in this library. So I think you all have understood. It is a great enjoying. You can enjoy it. It is a very nice thing. So start designing your projects and share it using Google Colabs. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you for helping me. Many students, many teachers are helping me continuously. So thanks a lot for helping me. We all together can make it happen. That is the main thing. Any new thing comes first time, you may have some fear, but if we all are together, we can make it happen. So thanks a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.